Busog nang ko ng ana lang.
Guys, yung chopstick ko kayo.
Holy shit, it's even worse than the first time. Oh my god. Yeah, I can do this.